Good morning, traders. Hope you are well. This is your early morning briefing for the 23rd of February. It's just about 10 to 7 here in the morning in the UK. We've got an outside bar on gold. This indicates that there's going to be at least a correction. I suspect it is going to be just a correction. So back up to 2026. And as we can see from the entry point, we've got a fresh buy signal. So I've just sent a signal at 2018, 2019. So we're in profit, and we can just do a scalping trade to 2025. Good morning, this is the early morning briefing, and this we're going to have a look at the major trends to see where the targets are for today. The US yen continues this upward trend, and we do expect this to continue further. There's a little bit of resistance here, bit of liquidity, so this will probably move down before it moves up. So something like this to here and then to here. So your target is 151 today. The Kiwi was showing some strength. The dollar is mixed today, but it's above the central pivot, so we do expect further upside momentum to occur at some stage today. Maybe during the New York session, a bounce off there is going to give us a target of 62.50. New Zealand yen continues up. Congratulations, members, if you are in this. We've been in it for quite a while now, and continues up. As long as it holds above 92.95, then we can expect this to go to 93.91. Aussie yen, similar situation, a bit of a double top. So again, a very similar situation. There is going to be some kind of correction today. As long as it holds on to 98.61, then goes to 99.42. Pound yen, again above the central pivot. That's what you're looking for initially. The central pivot is the stepping stone, gives us the trend, and nice bounce off liquidity there. And the target for today is 191.64. Euro yen continues up. Congratulations, albeit sideways in the last day or two, but above the central pivot of 162.80. Heading for 164.20. Pound Swiss is holding above the central pivot and making a trend, and therefore, as long as the price remains above the central pivot of 111.21, then we can expect it to go to 111.95. Euro Swiss is trending as well, holding above structure, and target is 95.61. Aussie Swiss, similar situation here. Hit first target, so wait for a pullback, and then on to 57.97. New Zealand Swiss, similar situation, target 54.80. Pound Canadian holding above central pivot, and we do expect this to go up further to 171.22. New Zealand Canadian, just a couple more. Dollars mixed, so you're going to find that all the dollars are mixed. I'll just go over the euro dollar just to show you. The central pivot is holding above, price is holding above central pivot, so we do expect this to go up to 83.90. That is the New Zealand Canadian. Pound Aussie to the downside. This is looking nice. And two targets here for today. As long as the price holds below the central pivot, then we can expect it to go to 192.25 and then on to 191.70. That's red hot because it's a fresh move down. Pound New Zealand to the downside, holding below the central pivot target 203.74 and then on to 203.23. So let's have a quick look at the euro. Well, the DXY, let's have a look at that first. Completely sideways. Again, it's not achieving higher highs, as we can see the stepping stone effect for the central pivot. It makes that clear. It's achieving lower highs and lower lows, but there is a bit of a head and shoulders here as well, so we could see this move up, and this is indicated by the central pivot as well. So if it holds above the central pivot, we are likely to see the price move up to 104.19 and then on to 104.52. If we have a look at the euro dollar, we can see that this is weak. I expect this to move down. It's not parabolic, so it's holding on to this structure at the moment, so it's not ideal, not one I would touch, but nonetheless target 107.90 and then on to 107.45. Well, have a brilliant day, and for members, I'll be seeing you this afternoon in the New York session.